All right, quick follow-up for you all today. As you may recall, last week on January 9th, a drone struck a firefighting aircraft working the Palisades fire in California, grounding said aircraft. There were some photos of the damage released, and police were able to recover the remains of the drone, a DJI Mini 3 Pro, from within the wing. A Redditor has thoughtfully now provided some photographs of the wing repair that was required, and so we're going to go over them now. You can see in the first shot the outer wing has been removed. You can also see the dents to the wing structure that required replacement. Finally, you can see the inner wing structure being replaced, and then the work to form the new leading edge of the wing. As a flyer of a micro drone, that's a drone below 250 grams, I was quite shocked myself to see the amount of damage that a sub 250 gram drone can cause. That's about the same weight as a small bird or an apple. So I expect that this incident is going to result in some regulatory changes surrounding microdrones, because currently, at least in Canada, there's no licensing required to operate one. And although this drone was flying illegally in closed airspace, I think the regulators are going to come down hard on this. Quebec 1, which is the aircraft, is now back flying and has been joined by two others from Quebec, as well as aircraft from Ontario. If you enjoyed this video and the previous one, please like and subscribe to the channel.